So going for a software, you need to learn from the Java program, Oracle, C, C++, whatnot, a lot of courses. But when it comes to the networking, you need to go by step-by-step process, right? Once you enroll in the program, you will learn MCSE. MCSE is nothing but Microsoft System Administrator. Okay? So in that, you have another two departments. One is System Administration and the other is Network Administration. If the candidate is more interested to go for in the administration department, they can choose either for System Administration. There will be 7 papers in that program. And when it comes to the networking course, you can go up in a much higher level, like CCNA, and after that you need to do CCNP and CCIE, so on and so forth. So I'll be explaining about the job, related to the networking. Once if you do the course, you can go for the System Administrator, as I told earlier. Either you can go for the Network Administrator. Why I'm saying the Network Administrator job is because to communicate from one company to another company, network is more important, isn't it? If you have a banking transaction at Hyderabad, and if you are sitting with your friend is located in America, so how does that transaction take place? It all takes place because of the networking. So networking is the backbone for all these network-related issues. Okay? So the companies like corporate, MNCs, BPOs, KPOs, RPOs, government sectors, defense organizations, colleges, schools, wherever there is a computer, there must be a system administrator or a network administrator. So in that, my colleague will be explaining to you about the SCSE and CCNA program, Cisco-related products. Mr. Syed Fahim is the MCSE faculty and is going to explain you about the MCSE products.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Syed Fahim. I am a trainer in NetExpert Solutions for Microsoft department. So all of you know that information technology is divided into two divisions. One is the software and another is the hardware. So whatever, if you look upon the hardware technology, many kind of devices are available, many kind of systems are available. Now these systems play a very much important role in each and every sector. Whether it is right now, whether it is a private sector or a public sector, whether it is a college, take an example of your college. Here a group of computers are involved. This group of computers should have to get connected to each other. So by today network plays a very much important role. So whatever the information that you are sharing, not only information, the resources, take an example of a printer. Suppose in a company you are having 100 computers, 100 employees are there. So will the company will provide each and every employee with a printer? No, there have to be 2 to 3 printers will be there. Now this 2 to 3 printers should have to be shared by all of these 100 users. So how this sharing is possible? This sharing is possible with the help of the network. So just now as my colleague has explained you that the retention. So you people also came to know that there is a lot of effect on the software stuff. But right now till now, I did not came to know that whether there is an effect, whether the retention is affected on a networking job. So if you look upon the two types of administration are there in your networking, one is the local area network, another is your wide area network WAN. So the person who is responsible for working on system side is known as a system administrator. He is responsible for managing the servers. So you may, in a company, you may have a server. You may going to have a directory server, DNS server, DHCP server, many kinds of servers will be there. Now the system administrator is responsible for providing the servers on the network. He is responsible for taking the backup of your information. So backup plays a very much important role in your network. Why? Because if you are storing information on your computer, what happens? That information, the computer is an electronic device. Anything happens to your computer, maybe the computer is today running fine. Tomorrow maybe what happens? Tomorrow the computer is not functioning. So what will happen? Whatever work you have done on your computer is lost. So backup, you should have to always, first of all, take a backup so that you can restore your information. So this all responsibility comes under the system administration part. Now, wide area network deals with your Cisco router. So, how to connect a company which is in one location to the another location, how to connect the routers which are one location to another location for transferring of the information. So, transferring of information plays a very much important role in the network. So now when we come to our institute is NetExpert Training and Solutions, which will provide basic networking right from the basic to the higher level. So we will start with the hardware. Then we will go with the MCSE, then we will go with the Exchange. So Exchange uses your mail server. So I think all of you have an email ID yourself. So you send and receive some mail. So my system administrator is responsible for sending, managing the mail server. Now another server which is included in your MCSC is your ISA, Internet Security Accelerator, and you are getting connected to the internet. Many people are getting connected to the internet day by day. So what happens here is that security plays a very much important role. So now you should have to secure your server. So that outsiders should not be entered into the local internet. From outside, for example, you see a hacker. So hacker should not be, you should have to secure your server with the help of which is people. Suppose an example of hacker. Or you want to apply the restriction, which user can access the internet, which user should not be able to access the internet. That all will be going to be explained in the Internet Security Accelerator. So these are the Microsoft products, as well as we are going to offer you good packages, especially in our NetExpert solution, and the remaining for your wide area network. I will have explained you the information regarding the LAN. So one of my colleagues will explain you on your WAN technology. What is WAN technology? What are the devices using the WAN technology? What are the sources? How to build your feature in your WAN technology? That will be explained by Mr. Naveen. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Sagesh Rizawati. People call me Naveen. I am a BTech graduate. And right now I am working as a trainer in experts. So let me tell you one thing. Mr. Fahim is working as a trainer for MCSC for the past 5 years, and more than 5 years experience he has in this field. And is considered to be one of the best faculties in Hyderabad. Okay? So to start. So let's see what is networking first. Okay, let's have an idea. Suppose you have two computers, computer A and computer B. You have to exchange data between two computers. What do we do? We do flash drives, that is pen drives, or we board the CD and we put in another computer and we share the data, right? There is another way. We can take crossover cable and we can connect the two computers and then simultaneously both the computers will drive and exchange the data, right? Suppose we have more than two computers. Because what we do is, when we connect the crossover cable, it would be connected into the Ethernet port. So one computer has one Ethernet port. So suppose we have 4 computers, A, B, C, D, how would they communicate with each other? The thing is, they would be connected to a hub. Okay? A hub. A hub has 4 ports, or 8 ports, or many ports. So we can communicate using the hub. But there is a problem with the hub. And the problem is, suppose computer A wants to send data to computer D, it will send the data, and all the computers will receive the data. All the computers are going to receive the data. B is going to check the data and say, oh, this is not for me. Drop the packet. C is going to check the data and say, oh, this is not for me. Drop the packet. D says, this is for me, and it ends up updating the data. This is the thing. So, in order to overcome this particular problem, what happens is, people have developed a new device which is called as switch. So in this switch, they use something like MAC addresses using this, which are intelligent, and then when computer A wants to send data to computer B, we directly send data. And this is in a local internet on a single floor, on a single place. And suppose we need to communicate from Hyderabad to Dubai, Hyderabad to Singapore, then comes the picture of routers, which are used for WAN connectivity. Take an example of cricket match. We have IPL going on in South Africa, right? So how we are able to see the match? Using these routers. The video data is converted into zeros and ones, and those are transferred from that is South Africa to India using zeros and ones. Again, they are reconverted to the signal, and that is the reason we are able to see this match. So this is how the process goes. This is okay. So we have different processes in this. Cisco, in particular, there are many companies for offering routers, but Cisco holds a monopoly. While Cisco has more than 60% of the material, of the devices in this networking field. It has routers, it has switches, it has PCs, it has even mobile phones from Cisco. Cisco holds a monopoly. Okay? Cisco routers, Cisco switches are made for working for years and years together without any problem. So this is the benefit of it. So Cisco is offering a number of programs. To start with, the basic CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. So it is a